Sault Ste. Marie Health Coalition is celebrating the opening of a volunteer office downtown today at 24 Queen Street East as part of their campaign to save local healthcare services. With the hope of recruiting volunteers, the opening featured a town crier, a ribbon cutting, speakers, food, balloons, and banners.
So we're on Queen Street in Sault Ste. Marie, and we're here to open the campaign volunteer office for the campaign to try and save the local public health unit, local ambulance services, the long-term care and hospital services from cuts and elimination by the Ford government. What we want to stop and try and protect is the plan from the provincial government is to close 25 of 35 local public health units across the province and merge them down to 10. Close 49 of 59 local ambulance services and merge them down to 10. Close 12 of 22 local ambulance dispatch services and merge them down to 10. That would mean in the north there would be one or two at most services that would be centralized, and of course massive distances to cover. In addition, they're also cutting hospital funding and long-term care, that's nursing home funding in real dollar terms. So really very significant healthcare cuts. I think we can stop them. We have managed to stop things like this before, but in order to do that, we need people to volunteer, to stand up, to make noise, and to protect the services. You know, in the end, Sault Ste. Marie will not be the center, that would have the centralized public health or the centralized ambulance services. And in any case, this is not good for anyone.
I wanted to be here and be a part of this for everybody in the Soo who is facing something like the issue facing my son. He's 4 years old. He still speaks at a 3-year-old level. We've been working with Algoma Public Health, but we found out recently that this is going to be his last year working with them. And that was directly because of those cuts. So it's important that we fight back against these cuts so that we don't have more issues like this, so that people are still receiving the services that they need. We know that the government is willing to move. They've shown that, and we're hoping that if we have a big enough turnout on the 30th at the rally, that will show them that we in the Soo are not going to settle for these cuts. And there have already been 2 other rallies in Ontario, and there will be one more after ours as well. So we're hoping that those will show the government that we will not accept these cuts.